If you are really serious about quitting smoking, I can absolutely help you. My name is Diane Edwards, and I've been a hypnotherapist here in San Diego in my office for the last 30 years. I've been helping many thousands of people quit smoking, and now, thanks to modern technology, I've been able to put this tried and tested complete program online so you can do this in the comfort of your own home. And I've added many extras for you too. So let me tell you a little bit about what's included in this package. I first of all include a book. It's a short book, it's easy reading, but I give you a lot of tips and tricks that you can use that help you become a non-smoker and, most importantly, stay smoke-free. So the book is easy reading and it's short. I then ask you and suggest that you use the pre-quit audio. Now, the pre-quit audio is an audio that's going to help prepare you to become a non-smoker. Once you have listened to that, and once you set your quit day and you know what day you want to stop, then you play the main recording. In that main recording, you will reprogram your mind to think like a non-smoker, act like a non-smoker, be a non-smoker, with no weight gain, no struggle at all, just feeling really good about yourself and putting this behavior behind you. I also include two other audios that accompany this package. One is an affirmational audio, and that means it's a repeat after me type of audio, such as, repeat after me, I love being a non-smoker. This is the easiest thing I've ever done. I feel great. I have more energy. Those type of positive affirmations. That's the third audio. I also have a fourth audio, which is subliminal. Subliminal means that all you'll hear are ocean sounds, and underneath the ocean sounds are all the positive messages about being a non-smoker. You can listen to that audio anywhere, anytime. Nobody even knows what you're listening to. So that's the four main audios of the package. I also include a bonus audio, which is called Procrastinate No More. This is not only to do with smoking, this could be for anything else in your life. So you can start to really want to do it now and not put it off any longer. So, as I said, if you're really serious about stopping, this program is absolutely the perfect program. It includes all aspects of the smoking behavior and will help you become a non-smoker easily and effectively. Remember, all my programs are fully guaranteed. If for whatever reason you're not happy or satisfied, I offer a full money back guarantee, so you've actually got nothing to lose at all, but you have an awful lot to gain. And also, I'm always around. If you have any questions, you can always contact me. Once again, my name is Diane Edwards, and I thank you for watching.